Load your document face up through the document feeder. Ensure the grey guides are sitting flush against the paper. For any misfeeds, you can open your top cover, removing any visible paper. Alternatively, you can load your document on the glass, face down, top left corner where the arrow is indicating. Close the lid and you can select copy, fax or scan. In the front of the device, loading your paper, open your paper tray, fan and load your paper. Ensure the aqua guides are squeezed and sitting flush against your paper stack. Closing the tray. For the manual feed or bypass tray, load the paper and ensure the grey guides are sitting flush against the paper. On black and white machines, the toner and drum is located in the front of the machine. For coloured devices, open the front cover and replace the required coloured toner. On the right hand side of the device, you can open the cover. This displays the waste toner container. Now you can see the 4 coloured drums and replace which colour as necessary. Insert the waste toner back till it clicks, closing the cover on the right hand side. At the back of the device, you can open the back door. When the fuser is required to be changed, remove the fuser. With the new fuser, insert it until it clicks, and then close the back door again. Selecting the Copy app from the home screen allows you to select quantity, typing in the amount you need to photocopy. For other features, push the back button, where you can select output color and change black and white to full color or auto detect. Again, select the back button for more features. Double siding is within two-sided, where you can select 1 to 2 or 2 to 2, which is double-sided to double-sided. Going through the list, you can select your paper supply, selecting paper from your available trays. Reducing, enlarging, lighter and darker, and other features are available within the list. When you have made all your selection, push the start button and your copy will complete. If you need to reset the device, you can select the reset button or select the home button on the left to go back to the home screen. To save your email address to the device, from the home screen select Address, tap the plus icon and add contact. In display name, type in the required user's name. Select OK. Scroll down to email and type in within email the user's email address. Select OK, OK again, and OK. From here, you can now select the home screen and scan to email. To execute a scan email, load your document in the document feeder or the glass. From the home screen, select Email, select the address book icon and select the user's email address. Select OK. You can also select Add Recipient and type in an email address as required. To change your settings within email, select the settings icon. Here you can change your file format to TIFF or JPEG. You can also scroll down when on PDF and select single file for each page. Push the arrow back. You can select color scanning to select auto detect color, black and white or grayscale. You can select two-sided scanning to select a two-sided scan job. Resolution allows you to scan up to 600 dpi, and as you scroll through the feature list, you can find other features you could change, like file name to type in a name for your document, subject of the email, and also message. Once all this is complete, select Start, or if you want to clear all your settings, you can select Reset. To return to the home screen, push the Home button. Please visit our FUJIFILM support website and enter your device model number for any consumable replacement.